I think maybe if we just have your daddy hold it. We'll be singing.
Happy birthday to you, Thomas. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Thomas. Happy birthday to you.
You blow it out?
Daddy's gonna blow. Good job! Alright, now.
I think you have the candle.
Are you ready to make the mess?
You want to taste that?
You want to have a little bite of that? Yeah. Yeah, it can be real nice. Just dip your fingers in it. Yeah, it's sticky.
Thomas, look at Grammy. No, Grammy's
gonna
gonna eat
throw
it
the whole
too.
thing on the floor.
Yeah. Look, Thomas, look at Grammy.
Oh, there it goes.
Oh, there it goes. Put that in your mouth. Oh, yum yum. Mmm. Mmm.
Yeah, we have to demonstrate.
Dipping your finger in there?
Taste it. Mmm. Put your finger in your mouth.
Yeah, just poke it.
Mmm. Put it in your mouth.
Good job.
You gonna eat some of
Oh, I
that?
forgot something.
What?
Supposed to put newspaper underneath his chair.
We have a clean cake lady.
Oh, eat that. Mmm.
Here.
Taste it. Mmm. Good.
So fascinating by everyone looking at him. I don't think he's figured out he's supposed to eat it.
Well, watch this, Thomas. Look at mommy. Put that in your mouth. So big.
Are you gonna taste any of it, Thomas?
We're trying to put a little bit of that in your mouth.
Put it in your mouth.
No yum yums?
What do you?
The okay can.
Good.
That's your Papa Crack made that.
Whoa.
Oh, here we go.
That's all right.
There it goes.
There you go. It's cake. It's cake. Taste it. Taste it. Put some in your
I
mouth.
think this is pretty much what I did with mine.
This must be a Thomas Seelig tradition. Then.
Look at the big dimples. Thomas, try tasting it. Mmm.
Yum, yum.
Yum yum. Good. Real good. Real good. Did you taste it? Mmm. Yeah, that's good. Taste it.
Good job, buddy. Bang it, bang it. Oh, you like to bounce recently.
They might be signaling the end.
I got a big piece.
Did you taste it?
Mama.
No sweet, sweet?
All right. Well, you have effectively dismantled that. Good job.
Hey, very good. All done.
You wanted it.
Give it back to the poor little guy.
I think you need a sandbox or something of that nature.
Good size. Oh, fatso, that's the last thing you need.
All right. Well, the problem is Quincy's got to throw it out.
Okay, there we go. Because we don't want you to throw off, honey.
Oh,
Alright,
Good job, Thomas.
That's intake. Oh,
that was a big
pretty
hit.
funny.
Papa Croc.
Pretty
What
funny.
was that?
It's a big hit.
It's a big hit. He liked it. When we took it away, you were screaming, right? Don't drop it on my head, kiddo. Alright. Okay, good. It's a right.
You were getting fast tonight, Thomas.
Does it have to get right there where the icing went? Yo, sticky fingers.
Your fingers. Fingers are all sticky. Yeah. Doesn't that taste good? Did you like that a little bit?
Your Grammy's gonna be offended.
Oh, that was Papa Crack.
Papa Croc.
He made that
He
giant
made that
cake
whole
for
cake.
you.
You didn't eat one bite of it.
If you're a little bit overwhelmed by the size of that cake.
It's a 1-year-old size.
Does it get bigger next year?
No, it's just
Can I put water on your floor or not?
Of course.